You can be married and still be the loneliest person in the room. Let me explain. You're sitting right next to each other. You said, "How was your day?" They said, "Fine," and that was it. You both scrolled your phones, went to bed, woke up, repeat. You're not fighting, you're not angry, you're just empty. And that might be worse. Here's what's wild. They probably feel it too. You're both lonely. You're both waiting for the other person to say something. You're both scared that if you speak up, it'll make it real. But silence is killing what you built. Tonight, try this. Put the phones down, look at them, and say, "I miss you, and you're right here." That's it. Start there. Because the opposite of loneliness isn't being together, it's being seen. You've got this.